In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Google Photos storage. Managing your storage is crucial because Google Photos shares its storage with Drive and Gmail. This means that running out of space in one area affects the others. Let's dive into the steps to efficiently manage your storage. First, let's open Storage Management in Google Photos. Sign into your Google account and navigate to Google Photos Storage Management. You'll immediately see an overview of your storage usage. This includes how much storage is used and how much remains. It will also show large photos and videos, blurry photos, screenshots, and unsupported videos. Review these items carefully and delete the ones you no longer need. This step is important because removing unnecessary files can free up a significant amount of space. Once you've reviewed and deleted the unnecessary items, you're already on your way to better storage management. Next, let's manage storage directly in the Google Photos app. Open the app on your device, tap your profile picture, and then tap Photos Settings. From there, go to Backup and then Manage Storage. Here, Google offers you recommendations for freeing up space. These suggestions are tailored to your specific usage, making them particularly effective. Trust these recommendations, as they often highlight items you may have overlooked. Now, let's switch to Storage Saver Quality for future uploads. This is a great way to reduce the amount of storage used by your photos and videos. Open Google Photos once again and tap your profile picture. Navigate to Photo Settings, then to Backup, and finally to Backup Quality. Select Storage Saver. This option compresses photos and videos during upload, using less storage without significantly compromising quality. This simple adjustment ensures that your future uploads take up less space, which is a smart move for long-term storage management. After setting up Storage Saver, you'll notice your storage usage decreasing over time. If you previously uploaded photos in original quality, you can recover storage from existing uploads. Head to Google Photos Settings and look for Recover Storage if it's available. Confirm the conversion to Storage Saver Quality. This conversion can significantly reduce storage usage by compressing existing files. Now, let's empty the trash. It's important to remember that deleted photos still count toward your storage until they're permanently removed. Open Google Photos, go to Collections, and then to Trash, which is sometimes called Bin. Tap Empty Trash. This ensures that the space occupied by deleted photos is freed up completely. Regularly emptying your trash is a good habit to maintain your storage efficiently. Next, stop backing up unnecessary folders. Open Google Photos and tap your profile picture. Go to Photo Settings, then Backup. Tap Backup Device Folders. Here you can turn off backup for folders such as screenshots, downloads, and social media images. Disabling these folders prevents them from taking up unnecessary space. Finally, check your total Google storage by visiting one.google.com/storage. This page gives you a comprehensive view of how storage is being used across Photos, Drive, and Gmail. Understanding the overall picture helps you make informed decisions about where to free up space. By following these steps, you'll manage your Google Photos storage effectively. Remember, regular maintenance is key to avoiding storage issues down the line. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!